This is a 2021 Chevrolet Colorado Crew Cab Black over gray interior, power windows, locks, and mirrors, cruise control, Bluetooth for your cell phone, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, traction control, air conditioning, automatic transmission. There's a look at the rear seat. Aluminum wheels, receiver hitch, backup camera, lockable tailgate, spray-in bed liner. This vehicle is powered by a V6 engine, so it's got power. Like all pre-owned vehicles at AutoNation Chevrolet, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.